You are US immigrant, you want to go to US as an immigrant, or you are existing immigrant, you want to go on spouse visa, you want to know under recent changes of Trump administration and why USCIS is changing these rules. You want to know, and you also want to know what rules USCIS recently changed, mean that when you will apply, which forms which you will use on spouse visa, and you want to know that why spouse visa will be very tight, verifications will be required, which type of the verifications USCIS will do, and you want to know H1B work visa. What is the new development regarding H1B work visa application? And this is also another update. And third update, why USCIS is going to verify social media. Social media usage, if you are using, I think you must be aware that your US visa is 90% depending upon your social media. These are developments I will discuss in recent USCIS Immigration News Update 2025. My name is Irfan Ashraf, you already know, and you also know I give immigration news of the developed countries with right analysis, predictions, and by different angles. And I also give some solutions of the problems for the genuine immigrants. I go back to a topic which you want to listen regarding USCIS immigration, new changes, new rules, and these new rules definitely hitting almost all immigrants. First rule which I will discuss, which I did not discuss in highlight, this is more important than all other rules. USCIS first time clarified that your citizenship and your nationality, means citizenship, and your green card is not your privilege, is not your dream right. It's a gift from United States. It's a acceptance of services. You did serve US, you was being assessed, you are given citizenship. It's not privilege, mean that it can be provoked anytime. People did not know when any green card cancelled, then they know my green card is cancelled. When visa cancelled, then they know my visa cancelled. They don't want to understand before cancellation. But now they talk more than that. They told we can cancel citizenship as well. When USCIS can cancel your citizenship, when USCIS can cancel your green card, when USCIS can cancel your even simple visa, legal individual I am talking about. I am not talking about illegal immigrant. Remember, I told in start of the clip, 99% your stay in United States, 99% your application, and even you have green card depends upon your social media post. Mean if you are green card holder or you are US national and you are using such a post in the social media which look adverse to America, which looks antagonistic to America, against America, and USCIS feel that this man is not in favor of America, in favor of American people, US citizens, they had made rule according to new executive order of President of United States, and that says that if anyone found posting some post against USA, against US citizens, its status means citizenship, green card, or any visa, legal visa, can be provoked. Until now, two type of the people are suffering. Green card holders, we are getting news. Citizenship did not cancel yet, but green card holders, lot of examples in these days, reports are coming, news are coming, and bulk of examples, maximum examples, You are watching in the media student visas, United States student visas. If you are a student in the US, you need to control your social media, or you must not use much social media, or you must use neutral social media. If you will use social media against US, your visa can be cancelled without any notice. This was claim of universities. This was claim of US colleges that our students' visas are cancelled without notice. I also told in one clip that they must be given notice. They must be given that this is the reason your visa is cancelled because you did post this thing. But US executive order law says that if you are posting anything adverse to US benefits, there is no reason to send you notice. There is no reason to get justification from you. Your visa can be cancelled on this spot. So you will be left only with one option, to go to the court. The court may revoke that. And it happened for some genuine students. Court revoked refusal decisions from the US authorities. The second change, this is also a much popular question, spouse visas. Spouse visas, now if you have to use form I-35, I-4A, modified form, new form, you cannot use old form. New forms you have to use. If you will use new forms, your visa application will be valid. Otherwise, your visa refusals may come. Second point, you will be assessed by Alway. Mean that your joint account, your spouse and your living status together in any place, your billing together, and also I think they are going to conduct very tight interview, and they need to verify almost all things. Two things also added in 135 and 14A form, your social media status. Once again, in spouse visas as well, they will check your social media status. And reason only USCIS doing, because they found a lot of couples, they were not couples. They became couple to get the green card. And they introduced another method that after 1 year we will check once again, because some couples were temporary, synthetic for some time. They were just being purchased relationship, I say. And what happened after 2 days, 3 days, when after 1 month, 2 month processing gone, case became successful, they are separated. And that's the USCIS want to check. Now, your fake case will not run in USCIS. Remember, USCIS officers are being given task that you have to judge fake cases by serious way, by all type of verifications. It has been told to immigration officers that if your performance will not remain up to the mark, this is the president order, that if you will not be able to assess genuine people, genuine spouses, your job will be no more. Therefore, I think immigration officers now, they will verify almost single information provided by you. That's why don't try to absurd immigration laws. If you want to use those laws to enter into United States, mean that you are not spouse but you became spouse to enter into United States, there is no even single % chance. You will be checked now. Your social media will be checked. Your attitude will be checked. They will assess psychologically that you are not spouses. Your living together billing will be checked. If you will make fake document, they will verify. 100% they will verify, which look very difficult. to be verified. Even you say to any single individual. That's why I am convincing you by justification. This way, tilted way, wrong way, illegal way is not the way to enter US. You must be genuine spouses. New forms are required, which I told you, and of course during interview they will ask such pricking questions. As you know, immigration officers are being trained now to check the false statement of the individual's clients. They are more trained than earlier, because as I already told you, that's the matter of their job, that's the matter of their existence. If you found wrong after reaching United States, one immigration officer cases are 50, 30 cases he assessed were not wrong, mean those people were fake, he will be no more in the job. Therefore, be careful, don't use any immigration laws in negative way. The third change, H-1B work visa. They are going to take biometric another way. They are going to take your residential addresses. They are going to verify your residential address where you are currently living. The biggest problem US was facing since Trump arrived, deportation. People were not deporting. They were telling, we have no home country. Our home country is not receiving. They were not giving their residence address. And countries were refusing. As a state, they were refusing. Aeroplanes, deportation aeroplanes were not allowed to land. Now another strategy adopted by US, you have to give residential address and you have to prove that if you will found wrong in the documents, if you will found guilty, if you will be a criminal, you will write that I will be deported back into this address. Then legal paper you will sign. This is also another safety measurement US is doing for the immigrants. Thank you very much for the listening.